Ryan Stumpp. I am the lighting designer for the National Medal of Honor opening celebration. When we got to the design for the nighttime spectacular, it was really important to create really grand looks. So to do that, we definitely employed a lot of the PROTEUS Atlas, the new PROTEUS ATLAS fixtures, as well as PROTEUS HYBRID MAX, and then PROTEUS BRUTUS as well. So we're here in Arlington, Texas at the brand new National Medal of Honor Museum for the opening celebration here on March 22nd. So this celebration is made up of a few different elements, of which I'm the lighting designer for, including an opening gala event across the street, and then resulting in a ribbon cutting here in the rotunda of the National Medal of Honor Museum. And finally, we're going to be ending the evening with the Mission to Inspire Nighttime Spectacular here out in the lagoon here in front of the National Medal of Honor Museum. The punch of PARAGON M was incredible. Like I was really blown away by the punch. Front light in the tent to the even zoomed in doing some beam lights outside. They really did great. We're very excited for the laser pumped phosphor PROTEUS Atlas, mostly because it's been very cold and windy here in Arlington, very cold overnight, and I can say that there hasn't been a lot of particulate in the air. So, where searchlights normally would have probably done, searchlights or hybrid fixtures would have probably done very well. We didn't see a lot, for those rehearsal nights, but we can say that those Atlas really punched through immensely. We got some really great looks out of them, and once we couple them with fireworks and drones this evening, I think people are going to be very happy.